Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're gonna get a Weedeater blower running. It just idles and dies, so we're gonna give it a carburetor kit and a little tune-up. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this apart here. I'm gonna take the air filter assembly off. Okay, I'm going to undo the fuel lines. One's brings the gas in and the other one takes the gas back in the carburetor. Okay, I'm going to clean this off. Okay, we'll go ahead. This is one of them Zama carburetors. We usually use Zamas or Walboros on these. Go ahead and take her apart here. Go ahead and take the back side off. Now the diaphragm, it's all stiff. These need to be like real flexible. So this definitely needs a carburetor kit. And check your primer bulb too. If it's getting old or getting cracks, you go and replace that too. Okay, we got our carburetor kit here. I decided to put a new primer bulb in this one too, so we'll go ahead and lay out all your gaskets so it's nice and clean. So we'll go ahead and put the diaphragm set on first. Always put the base gasket on first. Then the diaphragm. Make sure the round side's facing down. You want to get these snug, but don't over tighten them so you strip them out or something. Just so they don't vibrate loose. Okay, we're going to go ahead and replace this primer bulb, so we'll just take that cap off there. Take the old one out. Go ahead and insert the new one. Slide that back on. Put the screws back in it. And make sure it all lines up and the holes pop in place. Put it there. Okay, then go ahead and line that up. And just tighten each side a little bit at a time so that primer bulb seats in there nice and square. Go ahead and tighten it down again, not too tight, and there you go. So all we gotta do now is put her back on. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put that in there like that. And put your screws in. Go and attach your lines. Okay, go ahead and snug them up. Okay, we'll put some fuel in it. See if it'll start up. Well, we got this all out. Put our new one in there. Okay, we'll go ahead and push the primer bulb. Put her on start. And there you go. That's how you tune up a Weedeater blower, leaf blower. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.